filming It's Okay to Not Be Okay?
Ang hirap pumili ng core memories because I feel like each lock-in namin may core memory na nangyayari. Ano ba? Ang dami! Marami din na hindi pa pinapalabas. Actually, nakita dun sa yung tumatakbo, pillow fight namin. Ano pa ba? Going to different islands. Sige na nga, going to Siquijor.
Spoiler!
Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung mga core memories? And rest days of bonding together. Food trip. Actually, yeah.
I'm sure. Diba, food trip, especially sa, I'm sure, Iloilo, Bacolod.
Yeah, super bonding namin
Yes.
ang rest days kasi kumakain kami all together. Even the resort is really food, oo. Lavanya. Actually, we got to visit so many different restaurants and eat different local food from Bacolod and Dumaguete and Iloilo. So, yeah, maraming core memories.
I love it. Thank you for sharing that, Anne. Ngayon naman, Carlo, do you have any core memories you want to share also?
Yung sa akin talaga yung pillow fight. At saka every time na pumapasok si Matmat sa cabinet, kapag ka nagtatalokbong, kasi sobrang pawis na pawis ako sa lahat ng shoot na yun eh. Talagang yun yung mga core memories sa akin.
Bigla may pagkasola pala yung ano.
Oo, yung cabinet ni Matmat. But thank you guys so much for sharing it. Pero I think now it's time for us to open the floor to our friends.